In this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis, that is for 30th of June. So I'll be telling you the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis based on my unique formula based calculation, and also I'll be telling you the two stocks what you can observe for tomorrow's intraday trading. Please make sure this video is only for educational purpose. Before you trade on the stocks or the levels, you can do your own analysis as well. So I'll be telling you the top news for the day and useful informations for the day. Okay, so firstly let's talk about today. So today was 29th of June. The market was holiday today due to the Eid, so there was no market today, and as of now the SGX Nifty is running. If you guys can see, it is trading around 19179 and it's up by 0.15% up as of now. So let's see how the market will open tomorrow. So now I'm gonna tell you the levels for tomorrow for Nifty. So first let's talk about Nifty levels for tomorrow. So for Nifty, what you have to do is once the market opens at 9:15, just see the Nifty opening price and add opening price plus 150 to find out the maximum high what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 50 to find out the maximum low what the Nifty 50 can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 75 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 75 to find out the key support level for the Nifty 50. And next let's talk about the Bank Nifty. For Bank Nifty, just see the opening price at 9:15 and add opening price plus 350 to find out the maximum high what the Bank Nifty can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 350 to find out the maximum low what the Bank Nifty can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 175 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 175 to find out the key support level of Bank Nifty. Okay, so before I tell you the new news for today and the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading, if you guys are new to the stock market trading and want to learn the process of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the daily live market guidance as well. You can just go inside my channel and watch all the daily live trades what I uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading from today, you can join us now. So once you join us, I'll be guiding you every day in live market as well. Okay, so now let's talk about the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first stock will be TechM. So for TechM, the calculation is see the opening price of TechM and add opening price 20 to find out the maximum high what the stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 20 to find out the maximum low what the stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 10 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 10 to find out the key support level for the TechM. And the next stock is Glenmark. For Glenmark, just add opening price plus 23 to find out the maximum high, and open price minus 23 to find out the maximum low, and open price plus 11 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 11 to find out the key support level. So these are the two stocks for tomorrow, and these are the market analysis for tomorrow. And now let's talk about the news and updates what we have in the market for the day. So the first is from Wipro stock. So there is an update from Wipro. So Wipro's rupees 12,000 crore shares buyback closing date has been extended to Friday, that is for tomorrow, that is June 30, from an earlier date which was 29. So the buyback should have been happened today, but as the market is closed today, the buyback process is happening tomorrow. So whoever are trading in Wipro or whoever are holding Wipro, you can just keep an eye tomorrow on Wipro stock. Okay, and the second news is from ICICI. So ICICI Securities on Thursday announced that it will become a wholly owned subsidiary of its parent company ICICI Bank upon delisting. That means before, till yesterday, there was a stock which was ICICI Securities. Now the ICICI Securities stock is not there. There's only one stock as of now, that is ICICI Bank. Okay, so the public shareholder of ICICI Security would be allotted 67 equity shares of face value of rupees 2 each of ICICI Bank for every 100 quantity of shares what the company has owned. Okay, so if you're holding ICICI Securities, if you have the stocks in your portfolio, so if you have 100 shares of ICICI Securities, you will be getting 67 shares of ICICI Bank with the face value of rupees 2. Okay, so if you're holding ICICI securities, do check your trading account for tomorrow, so you'll get done ICICI bank shares and you can just check the details on that. Okay, so these are the top news for today from Wipro and ICICI bank, and these are the analysis for tomorrow. So I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, do give a like and subscribe to my channel for daily updates like this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon. And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients, what they have given us once they have joined, and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.